Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranams, dear devotees. Today is the most auspicious day of Bahulashtami, the day of appearance of Shamakund and Radhakund. As Lord Krishna tells Srimati Radharani that he himself will bathe in Radhakund, and everybody who bathes in Radhakund will attain Krishna Prema. And Krishna himself bathes in Radhakund every day. So we'll sing the glories of Radhakund as sung by Sri Raghunatha Dasa Goswami, who is our Prayojana Acharya. So we'll sing this beautiful song glorifying Radhakund, written by Raghunatha Dasa Goswami. We request all of you to hear and sing along this wonderful Vaishnava song that glorifies Radhakund. Vrishabhadanujana sannarma dharmukti rangair Nikhil nija sakiviryat swahastena purnam Prakatitam api vrindaranyaratsa pramodhais Tadati surabhi radha kundameva shrayo me Vrajabuvi murasatro preyasinam nikammair Asulabam api turnam premakalpa drumam tam Janayati hridi bhumau snatur uchchait priyam tat Tadati surabhi radha kundam eva shrayo me Agaripurapi yatna datra dhevya prasada Prasarakrita kataksha prapti kama prakamam Anusarati yat uchchai snana sevanubhandais Tadati surabhi radha kundam eva shrayo me Vrajabhuvana sudamsho prema bhumir nikammam Vraja madura kishori mauli ratna priyeva Parichitam api namna yache tenaiva tasyas Tadati surabhi radha kundameva shrayo me Api janaiha kaschidhyasya seva prasaidhai Pranaya suralata asyatasya goshtendra shuno Sapadi kilamadishadasya pushpa prashasya Tadati surabhi radha kundameva shrayo me Tata maduranikosjah kliptanamana uchchait Nija parijana vargai sambibhajya shritastaihi Madhukararudaramyayasya rajanti kamyas Tadati surabhi radha kundameva shrayo me Tata bhuvi varavedyam yasya narmati hridyam Madura madura vartam goshta chandrasya bhangya Pratayati mitayisha prana sakya libisa Tadati surabhi radha kundameva shrayo me Anudinam atirangai prema mattali sangair Vara sarasi jagandhair harivari prapurne Viharataiha yasmin dampati tau pramattau Tadati surabhi radha kundam eva shrayo me Avikalamati devyas charu kundashtakam ya Paripatati tadiyo lasidasyarpitatma Achiramiha sharire darshayati eva tasmai Madhuripur atimodhai shrisyamanam priyamtam. So this is very wonderful 8 verses in glorification of Radha Kund. The last line is always talking about may this Radha Kund be my shelter always. Eva Shrayo may I always be under the shelter of Radha Kund, the dear and fragrant Radha Kund, who is very, very dear to Lord Sri Krishna. And the last verse is a Falashruti. It says, to one who is completely dedicated to Queen Radha's service and who happily reads these 8 beautiful verses describing her lake, which is Radha's lake, Radha Kunda. Even in this present body, Lord Krishna shows his beloved as he happily embraces her. So this is the glory of singing these 8 verses of Radha Kunda Ashtakam. The 8 verses glorifying Radha Kund, who is non-different from Srimati Radharani. Right? In Nectar of Devotion, Rupa Goswami says, the Nectar of Instruction, the last 3 verses glorifies Radha Kund and says that Radha Kund is as dear to Lord Sri Krishna as much as Srimati Radharani. So in this auspicious day of Radha Kund, appearance day, which is also celebrated as Bahulashtami, right? And is also the appearance day of Shamakund, right? Krishna created the Shamakund And Radharani created Radha Kund. After the killing of Arishtasur, a demon, Radharani told that Krishna, you have become polluted because you have killed a bull. So you need to purify yourselves. So you need to take bath in all of the wonderful holy rivers. And Krishna calls all the holy rivers and creates a Shamakund, and he takes bath there. And he asks Radharani also to take bath. And Radharani says, no, 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 I will create my own Kund. And in this way, Radharani creates Radha Kund. And then she actually arranges for all the gopis. They all stand in a line until Manasi Ganga. And they take water from Manasi Ganga to fill the Radha Kund. And then Lord Sri Krishna, by his own sweet mercy, he enables the mixing of Shamakund and Radhakund. So when that happened, then the entire waters from Shamakund actually flowed into Radhakund. So even today in Vrindavan, we can see that there is a common flow of water between Radhakund and Shamakund. And Krishna says, I will bathe daily in the waters of Radhakund. And anybody who takes a dip in Radhakund will attain Krishna Prema. So in this way, Radhakund, created by Srimati Radharani, who is very, very dear to Lord Sri Krishna, has got more potency than even Shamakund because of this promise made by Lord Sri Krishna that anyone who bathes in Radhakund will attain Krishna Prema. Shri Radha Kund ki jai. Shri Radha Kundashtakam ki jai. Shri Raghunath Das Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Jai 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 Shri Radhe Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Please do hear and sing along this wonderful Radha Kunda Ashtakam. By singing of this, we can attain Krishna Prema. We can attain love for the divine couple, Shri Radha Krishna. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Dandavat pranams to all. Hare Krishna.